Hello and welcome to a nonfiction book talk presented by the Elyria Public Library. The library offers a wide variety of books to help you be the best gardener you can be. Whether you have a mini farm, or maybe you've killed every plant you ever bought, it's never too late to learn something new. Our first book today is How to Propagate 375 Plants by Rosenfeld. Propagating is the process of growing new plants from an existing plant. Planting a seed is propagating. There are other methods, such as divisions and cuttings, and specialized equipment that can seem intimidating until you take the time to understand them. Once you know what to do, you can get plants started or multiply plants that you already have. Our next book is The Midwest Native Plant Primer by Branhagen. You can help your local environment thrive by landscaping and gardening with native plants. This book can help you identify plants that will thrive in Ohio climate and soil, and there are many reasons to grow native plants, most notably that they foster a good environment for other native species of insects and animals. These plants will require little intervention if planted in their home turf, which means that you will save on energy and time trying to grow them. You can be inspired by full-color photos and start a biodiverse and native garden. Our next book is The Bee-Friendly Garden by Frey and Gretchen LeBuhn. Bees are incredibly important to our planet. While growing native plants is a great way to help them thrive, there are other things you can do to turn your garden into a bee paradise. This book advises on what sort of plants bees prefer, how to offer shelter, building a water station, and more. Learn how you can help the bees and have fun doing it by reading this endearing little book. Our fourth book is Container Vegetable Gardening by Dobbs and Ann Halpin. If you're limited on space, you can always try container gardening. You would be surprised what you can grow in a container. Full-page plant profiles and prepared plans help you design your own container garden. You can pick and choose your own plants or follow a recipe for an enjoyable container garden. Our fifth book is How to Grow Your Own Mushrooms, which, to be honest, is the coolest book I picked today. This fascinating little book teaches you about different kinds of edible mushrooms and how to grow them. The back of the book includes recipes, so your harvest can truly be enjoyed. Gain a new appreciation for fungi and impress everyone you know with homegrown edible mushrooms. It's The FlowerPowered Garden by Andy Vernon. Not every garden has to be a vegetable garden. You can choose to grow native flowers, you can grow flowers in containers, and you can even grow flowers with vegetables. You can also even eat some flowers like nasturtiums. Let this book help you find flowers in your favorite color and learn how to grow them. The plant profiles at the end vary in length, but this book is a good starting point for anyone looking to brighten up their yard. These books are a small sample of what you can check out from the library. You can request materials online or over the phone and find the right book for you.